Hi, welcome to the Cathedral of the Most Sacred Heart of Jesus. I'm standing out here in front of our new cathedral because I think everyone knows how much I love our new cathedral. And you know, when you have something new, you always enjoy using it and sharing it with others. But sometimes when you have something new, say like a new car, and you find that you might have a problem with your car, you're always glad that you have a warranty, because that means the manufacturer is going to stand behind their product and they're going to make it right. Well, today I have some disappointing news, but news that I want to share with you so that we can all work through this together. Through an independent inspector, we have discovered that there are some deficiencies in the flat panel roof that's on our new cathedral. And so our builder is going to stand behind their warranty and their bond, and they are going to make it right. But in the meantime, this project is going to take about a year to complete, because we want to take the roof apart carefully and replace it carefully so that we don't cause any damage to the existing structure or the contents inside. I know this is going to be inconvenient and disappointing to many of us, myself included, but I am convinced that this community can work through anything together. And so as we approach this re-roofing project, we'll be communicating regularly so that you know what to expect each weekend when you come to Mass, and so that we can be prepared for any changes we might have to make in our schedule or in the way that we access the Cathedral Church during this time of the roof being replaced. I want to also invite you to pray for all those who will be involved in this project, because as always, when we work on construction, there is the risk of injury, and we want to be sure and pray for all those who will be working on this project, as well as to pray for the success of the outcome. If you have any questions on this project, as always, I invite you to please contact me or any of our staff members so that we can explain any questions you may have. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your prayers, and I hope you have a beautiful day.